Hi guys, so we're at Tallington level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Callum 5. That barrier bangs, hits the floor.
Bad barriers. Is that
Look at
duct
the
tape
barrier.
on them? Is that duct tape?
I'm not sure.
Blue duct tape. Anyway.
There we go, the time is 13:05 on Saturday the 23rd of May 2015, this is for hour 13:06, slightly delayed 12:56, 1 Echo 09, Virgin Trains East Coast Series from Edinburgh to Ludicrous Cross, expect past 13:06.
You want to tell him it's Edinburgh to Kings? And he's still viewing that pothole. Edinburgh to Kings. Edinburgh.
Right?
Edinburgh to Kings.
Tell you something, I'm not looking forward to go back to Peterborough. I'm not sure if any of them are in a good mood. Where's Matthew gone?
I don't want to drop your iPod down. Just starting to come now.
Okay, you coming back down?
Oh, flashing green again! Flashing green, Joe!
Hang on.
Down that way, there's a flashing green one.
All right. $43,309. 43,315, and up they go. Thank you guys, see you next video.